Hey everybody, this is just a quick tutorial on how to complete the weekly check-in form. So if you click on that form, it's going to take you, or this link, it's going to take you to a Google form. Now to watch this video, you would click here. So if you really don't know how to do it, we've made a video just for you. So we've shortened it up a little bit. You still have your first name, last name, and your class period. But then it's going to ask you for your feedback, so this is definitely shorter. We simplified it. 1 means I need help. 5 means I completely understand what to do and I did it. If you are scoring yourself a 1 or a 2, I do expect you to either attend a Tuesday Google Meets or I expect you to be emailing for help. So make sure you're doing one of those things. Work completion, if you remember our old form, we had listed all the activities, so we shortened it up. It's just, did you complete all of your work? Did you complete some of your work? And did you complete some of your work? Just remember, be honest with us. I know some people were checking that they were getting all the work done, but they really weren't getting all the work done. So I don't know if you were just showing that to your parents saying, hey, mom, hey, dad, look, I finished all my work, but just keep in mind that, not being honest may result in a parent contact. And the same thing, asking for help. We do expect you to ask for help if you need it. So this is just, are you asking for help? So pick the category or pick the situation that best matches your situation. And then at the end, if you have any feedback, comments, or concerns, just let us know. Or you can email us directly with your concerns or comments. So let us know if you have any questions about completing the Science Weekly check-in form.